Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys 15 tips. So right here I'm just brushing my teeth. Your dentist recommend that you brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Okay, so brush and make sure that I laugh because I say it all the time and I'm not gonna stop saying it. Make sure you brush your tongue. If you don't want to brush your tongue, invest in a tongue scraper. That's a tool that you use to clean your tongue. Right now I'm just here using some mouthwash. It's a thorough breath mouthwash, just to freshen the breath. See, showing you the tongue is clean. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna use my cleanser, my facial cleanser, and I'm just gonna cleanse my face while I'm about to take a shower. So I do this in the shower sometime. If I'm not gonna take a shower right away, then I'll do it outside of the shower. But being that I'm gonna take a shower, I'll just do it inside the shower. So yeah, so I'm just using my facial cleanser to wash my face, take off the night or the day, whichever one. I use it both morning and nighttime. So guys, I decided that I wanted to try these exfoliating gloves. Oh my gosh. If you have never tried these gloves, oh, please do. I recommend 1000%. They are so good. When I tell you that it feels like it take listen, as you can see right here, I am using my bar soap. I always double cleanse. This is something I talk about in all my videos too. I double cleanse. So I use a bar soap first. So you see the bar soap in combination with this exfoliating glove. Oh Lord. You get the best clean ever. Like, it feels so good. Like, the bar soap is already taking off all the dead skin cells and the dirt and everything off your skin. And the glove is just like lifting it. The glove is lifting because the glove it has the right amount of texture to it, the right amount of coarse. Oh my god, it's just ooh. When I tell you that it feels so good on the skin, oh my god, it is amazing. It is amazing. It is amazing. So yeah, I always double cleanse. Get the front of your neck and the back of your neck. Guys, have you ever noticed when you take off your shirt, you see like a line on the back of your collar? That's because your neck accumulates the most dust and dirt and grime. So when you're taking a shower, pay attention to the front of your neck and the back of your neck, behind your ears. Just clean those spots. Listen, you want when your husband or your girlfriend or your boyfriend be sitting beside you and kiss you on the neck, they don't smell nothing. Listen, when ears behind ears go for stink, it stink bad. Okay? So yes, make sure you clean behind your ears. Don't forget the belly button, okay? Your navel. So growing up, my mother always tell me, do not mess with your navel. But I'm not saying that you should go inside the navel and dig around, but clean out around the navel, especially if you have a belly button that is like inward, that have that is a little hollow, So make sure that you clean it properly on the inside, because that's where all the dirt is gonna be trapped and the moisture from when you take a shower. So just wash it properly, dry it properly. I'm gonna show you guys a trick that you can do if your hands aren't as long as mine. You see my hand wash my entire back. It's kind of uncomfortable, but it still be done, okay? But I'm gonna stick around. I'm gonna show you a little trick. If your hands cannot reach your back, if you have short arms, I'm gonna show you how you can get it. Make sure that you wash in all your creases, so like your front of your elbow, the back of your knees. Make sure you get all those creases, especially, oh my god, when you sweat, and like if you're sitting down, you can feel the sweat just sitting there in the crease. Make sure you wash all your creases properly, and when it's time to dry them after you shower, you pay attention and dry them properly. Wash the bottom of your feet, between your toes. Just pay attention to those areas, because those areas gather bacteria and you'll be surprised. I know a lot of people I know a lot of people stop their bath right at their knee. No judgment, okay? No judgment, okay? If you don't judge me, I won't judge you, okay? But yeah, just make sure that you wash your feet, okay? You should wash your feet every day. And when you're washing your private area, remember not to use anything with any fragrance. So always choose to buy stuff that are fragrance free. They have specific products that are made to wash your private area, so you can invest in those if you wish. If not, you can use Cetaphil has a face and body cleanser that you can use. So that's like a 2-in-1. So if you buy the Cetaphil cleanser for your face, you can always use it to wash your private area. Here I'm just rinsing off all the soap off my body, and my camera got fogged up, so you know, I'm just giving it a little wipe. Your bath water, try not to make it too hot. That's just gonna ruin your skin. It's gonna leave your skin dried out. It's gonna it's gonna make your skin appear older much faster. Like, you know, like when you're in the water for too long and you can feel your fingers starting to shrivel. That's what it does to you when your water is too hot. Like, it just take out all of the good things out of your skin, basically. So try not to use your water too hot. Then now I'm going in with my favorite body wash, which is my Dove body wash. This right here is gonna put back all the moisture in my skin that my bar soap and the nice exfoliating glove took away. So I just use the Dove body wash to wash all over my body, wash behind my ears. As I say, you can't be going around here with no stinky ears, okay? And this is what I was talking about. So if you have short arms, you can use a washcloth and you can do what you see me doing right here. Just extend it out and use it to scrub your back, just like that. They also sell the body brush with the long handle that you can use to wash your back. Again, you wash your feet, wash between your toes. Yep. Make sure that when you finish using your washcloth, you wash it out properly and put it up somewhere to dry. That's gonna alleviate bacteria growing, and it's gonna keep your washcloth fresh. Then make sure that when you're drying your body, you pay attention to your feet. Again, dry between your toes, dry the bottom of your feet. If you don't want to use your towel, like if you don't change your towel very often and you don't want to use your towel, you can always use paper towel or, you know, a rag and just throw it in the wash. Here, again, I'm cleaning inside of my ears now with that same wet washcloth. I'm just cleaning inside of my ears and behind my ears again, making sure that it is clean. Then I'm gonna be lotioning my face with my CeraVe moisturizing cream for my face. And for my body, I'm using my good old Vaseline lotion. Like, I talk about this lotion all the time, guys. Tamika does not like oil, so I love this lotion just because it is non-greasy, but it leaves your skin feeling moisturized. So I decided that I'm gonna try the Vaseline body oil for the first time, and guys, I 1000% recommend. Listen, as I say over and over, Tamika does not like oil, so I took a big risk trying this oil, right? but I'm so happy I did, because just the word oil throws me off, literally. But I know that, see, this is where I'm adding it right now, but I know that if it is light and hairy and just like melt into my skin, I can live with it. But if it's gonna sit on top of my skin and feel like a blanket, then I'm gonna have to just take another shower. But listen, when I tell you that this oil, oof, and the way it makes my skin look and feel, my skin is glistening, I love it. I so recommend, 1000% recommend this body oil. Then I'm just gonna put on my deodorant, and I think this is a Dove dry spray deodorant. And then last but not least, my body mist all over my body, and this is the You're the One from Victoria's Secret, from Bath. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in. Bye guys.